It is 6:45 a.m. on Saturday, August 1st, and I'm going on a shoot today. So, a few tips. I'm shooting 2 hours with Taylor. When it comes to photography, you can shoot per hour or you can shoot per look. If you are new,
continue on New York 27 for 1 mile.
If you're new, I recommend per look because you have time. If you are experienced, then I recommend per hour. So I'm shooting for 2 hours. Okay guys, I am here, and this is kind of where it becomes like a fast forward because we're on the clock. You know what I mean? Once your time starts, you're on the clock. So all that, lollygagging you really can't do. Normally I would show up in the outfit that I'm wearing already, but this time I didn't because I was rushing this morning and it's like super hot. So I'm gonna be changing even into my first outfits. All right, so doing a really good job. Excited. All right, my car looks a mess. Oh. All right, we are on number, I don't even know. My car is a mess. I had to get in and turn the air conditioner on a little bit because it is getting hot outside. It's 8:19 now, so it's about an hour of shooting. I've done really well. The goal is to just get fashion shots. I don't need 30-40 shots in the same outfit. I would rather have 10 good shots and then we just move to the next one. You know what I mean? I used to focus heavily on the background, what it looks like. I just need a clean background and a fashion shot. I don't want to get too heavy because sometimes the amount of time that you spend looking for a background, you could have shot 2-3 looks. You know what I mean? So this is, you guys seen this dress if you watch my videos. This is the Mara Hoffman dress. I'm gonna wear this with a nice hat with some nice shoes. Okay. All right, so we are done shooting. It is 10:03. Did really well. I didn't shoot for 3 hours. My friend Michaela came in, so it kind of was a combination of both of us for the last hour-ish. And then me taking some behind the scenes of her and vice versa. If you can do shoots in pairs, it's really good because you're able to get some shots together, which we were able to do. And just mix it up a little bit. So especially when your friend can get behind the scenes and vice versa, that's really helpful, rather than trying to bring a tripod or have the phone stand up somewhere. So now we're gonna go get something to eat, maybe something light like smoothies or something, and then that's it. Then I'm gonna go home and probably go to bed because I'm tired. I slept 4 hours. it is like, I'm back, I'm done. I stopped in Dumbo to get a little snack and just sit outside for a little bit, take a picture of this vest that I want to call that I got from Beacon's Closet. I posted a thrifted video yesterday. Definitely scroll down if you want to see that video. I will leave it in the description box if you're interested in this. This hat will probably be included in my highlights for July purchases, because this hat is a item that I purchased in July that I'm very excited about. It will take a couple of days for me to get the pictures back from Taylor. She usually sends me all of the pictures that are clear, and I pick which ones that I want from each look, send them back to her, and then she makes the edits and send them back to me with her edits. So that's normally the way that it works. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.